no bullshit guide how to sound like your favorite underground rapper. First, you want to go to YouTube and search your favorite rapper and then put type beat. Next, you want to find a beat, basically download it and put it in an MP3 converter. Now you want to drag it into FL. This is the beat I chose. Next, you obviously need a good preset, and this one used in the video is going to be in my Discord, which you can find in the description. Then you want to drag your preset onto your main vocal track. This is what it sounds with no preset.
White is white on the north side black.
Obviously it's pretty bad. With it on, it sounds like this.
White is white on the north side black. I ain't doing nothing, she pissing out.
After the main vocals, you add any ad-libs of your choice. This is the ones I chose. And with it all together, this is what it sounds like.
White bitch white on the north side black. Throwing them out and out on her face. Mama, you busting her face. I ain't doing nothing, she pissing out.
Now the final step is optional. You could export it and then you drag in the exported version of your song, and then you can change this pitch knob and pitch it up, and then it'll sound a little bit different like this.
White bitch white on the north side black. Throwing them out and out on her face. Mama, you busting her face. I ain't doing nothing, she pissing out. I ain't doing nothing, she pissed out.
And that is different compared to this, which is not sped up.
White bitch white on the north side black. Throwing them out and out.